What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Random Recess. Chris and Abed here. And we're at Animal Kingdom today. It's cold and it's rainy, but we're here. And any day at Animal Kingdom is a great day, right, Abed?
It's definitely our favorite park. We really enjoy Animal Kingdom. We're just having a chill day here at Animal Kingdom, so come along with us. You know what time it is.
It's recess time. Let's go. It's cold.
All right, we are headed in. So excited. It is raining, but hey, that's okay.
We got our ponchos. We got ponchos just in case. All right, it's nice to be in Animal Kingdom for once when it's not 1,000 degrees outside. You know it's the hottest park, right? If you know, you know. It's a nice welcome change. Gotta love Animal Kingdom too because it just feels like a different park. Like you feel like you're not in a Disney park. It's weird because of all the trees, the nature, the animals. It's so well themed here. It just kind of takes you to another place. I love it. It's our favorite park. We're just gonna enjoy it. Let's go. We're gonna go to Pandora to see if we can get something to eat. We're kind of hungry.
All right, we are walking up to the Tree of Life. It's always stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, dude. Baby.
Penguin.
Adorable. The mama penguin. Oh, the mama penguin. Oh. Chris. Hi.
They just came out of nowhere. That was so adorable. I guess the cold weather brought out all the birds. We're seeing a ton of these birds just like chilling out everywhere. You know what? It's you're in a giant zoo, so you better see some animals while you're here.
All right, pit stop on the way to Pandora. We thought about stopping at the Nomad Lounge. We are on the list. So they said what, like 25 minutes?
Yeah, like 20-25 minutes, not too
right,
bad. So we'll just go bum around, take some pictures of the floating islands, and come back.
Let's go. So yeah, we've never done Nomad Lounge, so we're really excited to hopefully try that.
Rumor has it they have the best churros in all of the parks.
You did it.
You gotta rub it.
Just waiting for my mobile order pickup here at Satuli Canteen. We're gonna try the cheeseburger pods, but I'm actually gonna take them over to Nomad Lounge where Chris already has a table. It is so packed. I think because obviously it's lunchtime and also it's raining, but yeah, hopefully I can get my mobile order to go so I can meet Chris at Nomad Lounge. So they're only letting you into Satuli Canteen if you have a mobile order. So they're only accepting mobile orders right now. They're just really busy. All right, my food is ready for pickup. So excited. I gotta get it to go and I gotta meet Chris at Nomad Lounge. So here we are walking into Satuli and hopefully grabbing our food.
All right, so here at Nomad Lounge, it's just a bunch of small plates and cocktails and stuff. It's a good place to just come and chill. It's a little cold outside, so it's nice. It feels good in here. But for starters, I got the Spice Traders Classic, and it's a gin cocktail with vermouth, and it's also got some lemon juice and strawberries and soda water. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it is. That's actually really refreshing. Love a good gin cocktail, so it's not heavy on the alcohol. It's really refreshing, crisp. Highly recommend. It's good.
All right, package acquired. I'm a little sad that I'm not eating in here, but it's all right. We're going to Nomad Lounge, so see how this goes. All right, got food. Hopefully, I'm going to in the right direction. Discovery Island. Okay, gonna meet Chris at Nomad Lounge. All right, Chris knows the plan. He's got a table at Nomad, secured cheeseburger pods. Really excited about this. We will be back at Pandora in just a minute, so keep watching. Oh, Pandora at night glows. The bioluminescent forest and everything just starts to glow. So really excited to see that.
This is not from the Nomad Lounge, but all right. So from Satuli Canteen, you get these cheeseburger pods. So basically a cheeseburger bao. It's literally everything from a McDonald's cheeseburger inside of a bao, and it tastes like McDonald's. When they say it tastes like a McDonald's burger, they mean it. It literally tastes like a McDonald's burger. You're gonna love this.
All right, y'all know I worked hard for this. Mobile ordered it, picked it up, found the to-go boxes. So, all right, here we go. Cheeseburger pods. I love bao. Those of you from Chicago, If you're watching, wow, bao is amazing, right? I wish we had that in Austin. Anyway, here we go. Tastes like McDonald's cheeseburger. It's so crazy. Bao, the dough here is like steamed to perfection. It's really pillowy, got the right chew, and the filling is really well seasoned. It's so good. And we got chips with them because I was going to go. I didn't think I could transport slaw, but it comes with chips or choice of slaw. All right, we're gonna finish these, and then we've also ordered some snacks. All right, I ordered the Lamu Libation. It's got African rum, banana rum, guava puree, orange, lime, pineapple juice, and it's topped with Goosling's 151 rum.
Churros that comes with vanilla cream sauce, coffee cream of bliss.
Yeah.
You can mix the sauce all the time. It tastes really good.
Oh yeah.
Sounds amazing. So it's like
Okay, that's strong.
rum.
Wow, all right.
And then a little bit of juice.
151, that's insane.
Smells amazing. You can definitely smell the guava already. Definitely need to stir this one. Okay. As much as I hate these people.
Did you just get a sip of the 151 on the top? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god. You can taste a little bit of the banana rum. I was really worried that it was gonna banana's very strong flavor. But between like the different juices, the guava puree, and all the rum, this is a winner. Random recess recommend.
All right, as you guys can see, we got the sliders. So there's a pork slider and a chicken slider. It comes with yuca fries. And then we also got the churros. So these were super highly recommended. Apparently they're the best churros in the parks. And they're also gluten-free. Fun fact, gluten-free churros. So we're going to try them and see how they are. Try it plain first. And then
Yeah, we're gonna try the churro plain. I can already tell it's definitely soft on the inside, it's crunchy on the outside. As I held it and I caved in. You can tell these were fried. These must have been fried to order because it's super soft.
Yep.
Alright, what are these sauces?
I think there's like vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla. You're gonna love that.
That's so crispy on the outside. It like disintegrates in your mouth. Wow, that's so good. Not stale at all. The bed's right. These are like fried fresh. I'm gonna go with the chocolate sauce. Chocolate. It's actually like coffee. Ooh, that's really good. Wow. They're so airy. It's like you're eating air. So they're healthy, right? They're so light. I don't know if that's pork. Maybe it's beef. I think it is beef. It's not pork. Sorry, guys. But that's good. It tastes like a kafta. And then you're gonna love this. The spices are really good. It's if you have picky eaters, maybe don't order these because the spices are pretty strong. But if you like Middle Eastern food and you've had like kafta, this is exactly what it tastes. It tastes like a kafta slider.
All right, y'all, this would be a good time to ask you to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, about 80% of y'all that are watching are not. If you're new to this channel, we are a travel vlog. We're more than just Disney. We cruise, we go to Las Vegas. And Chris and I live in Austin, Texas, so you're gonna get Texas content, Austin content. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It really helps us out so that we can continue to share more of our recesses. We really appreciate it. All right, Chris and I are ponchoed up. As you can see, it's raining like crazy. We finished up at Nomad Lounge. Food was great, service was amazing. Sorry, we're on puddle watch. Chris is on puddle watch. We got ponchos on and we're doing fine. Debated leaving early, but glad we didn't. We're going to Africa to ride Kilimanjaro Safaris. Hopefully the animals are out.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't think animals care about rain, so.
Right? They may love it. All right, to the right. Africa.
All right, we got it. Making our way downtown.
The last time Chris and I were here at Animal Kingdom, we had lunch at Tusker House. Highly recommend. Make sure you get reservations. Reservations open 60 days before the day you're coming. So, but keep checking, keep fiddling. People cancel all the time, so you might be able to get in. But we are making our way to Kilimanjaro Safaris. Oh my God. Chris, how you doing?
Good. It said Kilimanjaro closes at 4:45, so we're good.
Hey y'all, we spent good money to be here, as did all these families, so no judging. We're not going anywhere.
That's right, neither is anyone else. Help.
Note, we are using the iPhone, which could explain maybe some of the audio issues, especially if there's water that gets in. So give us a thumbs up for staying.
And maybe even a subscribe.
All right, we made it. Here we go. It says 20 minutes. Hopefully it's not. Chris, you ready?
Yeah.
On the safari.
Never done it in the rain before. I've also never gone on a safari in the rain.
As we like to
All
say
right, here we go.
Headed into the Little Ituri Forest. The Little Ituri Forest is home to a few of our animal friends who are a little bit more on the shyer side, so sometimes they are a little bit harder to spot. Both males and females have horns, so one way to tell them apart is the males have a little bit of a darker coat than the females. Coming up on our left, it looks like there are a few painted dogs. Painted dogs are one of the most successful. These are Maasai giraffe. Giraffe are the tallest land mammals on the planet, coming in at around 18 feet tall when they are fully grown. When giraffe are born, they're already around 6 feet tall. Lions are nocturnal animals. That means that they like to sleep during the day and are a little bit more active at night.
All right, we just got off Kilimanjaro Safaris. It was awesome. You know, it's cold and rainy, but the animals are still out and about, and we got some good shots. Saw the lions, a cheetah, ostriches, crocodiles, anything. All the animals were out, so it was actually a pretty good time. Plus, the wait times are really low now, unless you go to Pandora, where the wait times are like 3 hours long. But yeah, the park seems to be kind of still really full. I fully expected it to empty out after 2, but everyone's just sticking around enjoying the park, even though it's rainy and cold. So we're gonna go see if we can go ride Expedition Everest now in the rain. It's cool. We're going to ride Expedition Everest. Little fun fact: if you look at the mountain, there's a little temple right in front of it. It perfectly lines up with it. So just a neat little fun fact. It's cool. Let's do this.
We're doing it.
We're going after
Expedition
the Yeti.
Everest. We're going after the Yeti, guys. Chris.
Off we go.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, Chris,
So good.
again!
So good.
Let's go again!
So good. Oh, it's so good. You got to do this ride when you're here.
You have to, it's so much fun.
And the wait time is always super duper low. So
Yeah.
I
Alright.
think we walked on in like 5 minutes.
Oh, don't forget your belongings.
All right, everybody, that does it for this episode of Random Recess. We're headed out of the park a little bit early just to stay dry. It's cold and it's wet today, and the weather's not letting up. Unfortunately, we weren't able to make it to Pandora at night. That's okay, just gives us another reason to come back here.
It was fate. I'm telling you, this morning we left and I forgot my Exploring Pandora hat and it just didn't work out.
That's right, I think that was it. It was
How
the
can I
hat.
explore Pandora without
was the hat.
exploring Pandora hat?
But like I said, it gives us a reason to come back. We will be back here, and we are going to do it. And maybe there'll be some changes after Avatar 2 comes out. Who knows?
We had a blast here at Animal Kingdom. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, like this video. And yeah, we're just trying to stay warm and not sick because we've got a 4-day cruise on the Disney Wish.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. We're going to post those videos when we get back home. We grabbed some Starbucks to stay warm, and we're going to head back to the hotel and dry off.
Till next time
We'll see you
on the next recess.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.